Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. I always love when researchers release a model or tool or some working framework with their research. That is what has happened with this S1, which is simple test time scaling. It comes with a model which we are going to install locally, and then we will see how this simple test time scaling works. Let me first explain in very simple words what is meant by this S1. So S1 or simple test time scaling refers to a technique used to improve the performance of language models, particularly in reasoning tasks. Yes, everything is about reasoning these days. That's a new buzzword, new hype. So let's play along. The way it works is that by utilizing extra computational resources at test time, it optimizes the efficiency of the model. That is how it works. Now, there are two major steps when it comes to S1. First and foremost, what it does is it involves using a small high quality data set, like they have their own S1K, to fine tune the language model for specific tasks such as math questions, and you can see some of the benchmarking on the screen in this diagram. And then the second thing is to control the model's thinking process through budget forcing. Budget forcing involves terminating the model's thinking process early and lengthening the thinking process by appending weight to the model's generation. So by applying both of these techniques, by using a small high quality data set and controlling the model's thinking, model double checks its own answer. That leads to improved accuracy, and then it extrapolates beyond its initial performance without test time intervention. They also have shared a lot of benchmarking information in this model card, and I will drop the link in video's description. Now let's try to get it installed and we will see how it works. Before that, let me quickly introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are iGentBot. iGentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Next up, this is my Ubuntu system, and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. This is courtesy Massed Compute, through which I am renting this VM and GPU. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, you're also going to get a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. Let me start by creating a virtual environment, and then let me install all the prerequisites and launch it in the Jupyter Notebook. Let me now first download the model, and I'm just using the Transformers library. And it's a huge model, as you can see that there are 29 shards of it. It's a 32 billion model. Slightly, not slightly, I think quite large for my liking, even in 32-bit size, but let's see. Let's wait for all of these shards to get downloaded. The model is almost downloaded. Okay, so the model is loaded. Let's try to do the inference. So I'm asking it how many R's are there in Raspberry, everyone's favorite prompt. And then we are giving this system prompt. We are defining the chat template. We are tokenizing it. Model is generating the output with the help of these parameters. We are decoding it back and printing out the response. So let me run it. And there you go. Look at the response. It is again doing the thinking and reasoning. Seems pretty good, and it was quite fast too. And it says that, so I need to figure out how many are there in Raspberry. It is talking about it, counting it, and then if you go through it, it is calculating it, and it says there are 2 R's in Raspberry. So thinking was right, logic was right, the answer is totally wrong. Okay, and I'm showing you all transparent, nothing is curated here. Okay, now let's try to see how it performs in terms of language and language nuances. So here what I'm doing, I'm asking you to rewrite a paragraph. So these are the real world issues which I'm trying to um, make it to. For example, I wanted to rewrite this paragraph in a formal tone. Now one thing is that this requires a lot of VRAM, so at least you need to have 80 GB of VRAM to get it working decently, otherwise it won't work, unfortunately. So you see it has written the paragraph. So first it is identifying, and then it is talking about I should also consider the tone, and then this is what I really like, that it has identified the existing tone, which is polite but casual. Making it sound like a professional email or message would be better. So it is talking about it. Hey all, I wanted to, so this is the final version. Now hey all is, I'm not sure that hey is a formal tone. I don't think so. I won't say hey in my formal tone, but open to your thoughts on it. Next up, I'm asking it a math question. So for that, I'm asking it find the equation of the circle with center and radius. Let's see how it goes. I have also increased the max new token so that we could see the reasoning if it just gets prolonged. The correct answer here is 16. Let's see if model is able to get it. So it is thinking, and the correct answer is there. Very good, very nice. And if you look at this chain of thought, it also looks quite good. And you already saw the speed, that it was quite good. I think other than that Raspberry question, it has really tested what it is producing, which is good. Next up, I'm checking its coding one. So I'm asking it to create a Ruby script that connects to a given Twitter account using the Twitter API, retrieves the latest 10 tweets. So let's see how it performs with a coding question, taking a bit of a time. Okay, so it has produced a response which looks quite good. It is thinking, and step by step it is saying that first I need to do this, then the main loop will come. Let me also scroll down, and then it is putting it all together. Where is the script? Okay, I'm just scrolling down. Now this is good. It's going with Twilio. API key, pretty good. Yep, looks good. And then it is checking the token. So this answer is quite quality oriented, I would say. And then explanation of the code, which looks quite good. Very, very nice. And look at the detail. Amazing stuff. And then it is also asking us to do this replacement of API key. Very fine. Okay, let me ask it a final question. Finally, I'm asking it to plan me a same day trip from Bangkok, Thailand to Angkor Wat in Cambodia. And I'm asking it to provide me a step-by-step itinerary, including transportation options, crossing the border, and visiting the temple complex. Assuming I start in Bangkok at 5 a.m. So let's see what model responds. And by the way, if any one of you has done this same day trip, or if you know how to do it, please share it in the comments. And if you are from this part of the world, that would be really icing on the cake to hear your insights. So there you go. So it is saying that, okay, so I need to plan a same day trip from Bangkok to Angkor Wat in Cambodia. So where do I go first? I think I should check the flight times since I'm Bangkok to Bangkok. You see, then to Phuket, but wait, but I'm in Bangkok. So maybe I don't need a flight from there. That is good. So you see, it is not a human, it is a model. And now it is checking about Phuket. So I'm not sure why it is going to Phuket. Maybe that is how it works. And then it is talking about Angkor Wat, distance Phuket to Angkor Wat. Maybe it's 30 to 40 kilometers. That means I can walk in there about 30 mile per minute. Okay, so it is walking there. I don't think so. This looks good to me. So this is a plan. It says fly from Bangkok to Phuket, cross the border, walk to the temple in Phuket. So this is wrong. I don't think so. This is correct. And take a taxi back to Phuket. I don't think so. This looks good to me. What do you think? Totally wrong, I believe. So let me quickly show you the map. So you see this is where Bangkok is, the capital of Thailand. And here on the right hand side we have this Angkor Wat. And way down there we have Phuket near Malaysian border. So totally wrong. So you can't really trust this model for your itinerary. Okay, anyway, so that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this model. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.